When making a video, narration is very important for people who are legally blind and can't see the visuals. But if you're kind of shy to narrate with your own voice, or if you need someone who sounds different than you, I'll show you a trick. In Adobe Audition, go to Effects, and then click on Generate, and then click on Speech. It's going to ask you to name the file, and then click OK. Write in your text, and then press the play button to hear what it sounds like. You can change the language, and you can also change the gender. When you have what you're looking for, click OK, and then you can export this as a WAV or an MP3. Do a File, Export, File. In the Format area, you can choose MP3 or WAV file. Those are industry standards that most video software will accept. Name the file, and then click OK.